Hi everybody, my name is Tricky the Raven. It's nice to meet you. Are you ready to learn some nature words in uthəm? My friend Mary is going to help us out. Hi Mary!
Ho.
Let's go! Mary, how do you say water in uthəm?
Kaya. Kaya.
Now it's your turn. Great job! Now let's learn how to say river. Mary, how do you say river?
uthəm. uthəm.
Wow! Can you say river in uthəm? Nice work! And how about ocean? Mary, can you tell us how to say ocean?
Odku. Odku.
Now you! Awesome! Now let's learn how to say lake. Mary, how do you say lake?
Sayas. Sayas.
Now it's your turn. Well done! Here's a challenge for you all. Do you remember what this word is?
uthəm. uthəm.
That's right! Uthəm means river. Well done! Are you ready to learn more words in uthəm? Let's go! Mary, how do you say tree in uthəm?
Jajiam. Jajiam.
Wow! Now you! Great job! Now how about flower? How do you say flower?
Kwasam. Kwasam.
Your turn! Awesome! Flowers grow in grass. Mary, how do you say grass?
Lakam. Lakam.
Now you say grass. Good work! Flowers and grass both grow in meadows. Mary, can you teach us how to say meadow?
Saya. Saya.
Thanks! Now it's your turn. Can you say meadow in uthəm? Well done! Now for another challenge. Can you remember what word this is?
Jajiam. Jajiam.
That's right! JJM means tree. Awesome work! Now let's learn about the seasons in uthəm. Are you ready? Mary, how do you say spring?
Akowishin. Akowishin.
Wow! Now you! Great job! How about summer? How do you say summer?
Akowe. Akowe.
Can you also say summer? Awesome! Next comes fall. Mary, how do you say fall?
Sotechin. Sotechin.
Thanks! Now it's your turn. Well done! The last season is winter. How do you say winter?
Sotech. Sotech.
And now you! Excellent! Are you ready for another challenge? What word is Mary saying?
Sotech. Sotech.
Well done! It's winter! I love winter! Finally, let's learn about the weather. Are you ready? Look at the clouds. How do you say cloud?
Sampri. Sampri.
Your your turn. Well done. Oh no! It started raining. Mary, how do you say rain in uthəm?
Chess. Chess.
Now you say rain. Awesome! Brr! It's so cold it started to snow. Mary, how do you say snow?
Formai. Formai.
Now you say snow in uthəm. Great work! What about when the wind is blowing? Mary, how do you say wind?
Form. Form.
Wow, you can do it too. Say wind. Well done. Now it's time for your final challenge. What word is Mary saying?
Chess. Chess.
Awesome work! It's rain! That's all. Thanks for learning nature words with me and Mary. See you next time. Bye!
Emma Hoyge.